everyone and welcome to my channel Shubham's Origami World. In this video we are going to make this cute origami fish designed by me, and if you have watched my previous videos, this fish is really easy to make. So let's get started. You need to fold the paper diagonally both. Crease firmly. Now fold the paper half vertically and horizontally. Okay, now fold paper like this, and using the center crease make a squash fold like this. Turn the model over. Repeat here. Using the center crease, squash fold this flap like this. Now this side down, you need to fold this corner to the center line like this. Repeat here and back. The last one. Okay, now fold this triangle down this line like this. Got it? Now open all the folded flaps up to this point. Now can you see these three lines? We need to make a petal fold. So fold up the first flap till this line like this, and just press these corners at the center using the other pair of creases like this. Repeat behind. Fold this flap up till this line, and press these corners to the center. Our bird base is formed. Now what you need to do is fold this flap down. Okay, and can you see this line? You need to fold this flap on this line like this till this line. Repeat here. Okay, unfold them. We got these two creases. We need to make inside reverse fold here. So can you see this pocket here? Inside reverse fold using these creases like this. Press it. Repeat here. Press it. All right. Now fold this flap also towards the downside like this, and fold the model in half like this. Okay, now we need to inside reverse fold this fin here like this. You can also first make a crease, just fold it, the paper like this, unfold, and then using this crease you can do an inside reverse fold like shown. Repeat here, just symmetric to this one. Okay, now open this wing like this and bring these corners to center line. Like this. Repeat here. Okay, and fold this down corner here. Okay, now close this fin again as it was previously. Repeat these steps on the other fin. Open it, fold these corners to the center line, okay, and this bottom point, topmost point here like this. Now fold back this fin so that it is closed. Okay, now here fold this flap like this. It can be according to you, there are no references. All right, like this, unfold back, and from the middle edge, like between, you need to make an inside reverse fold like this. Can you see? It's from the middle of the model. Okay, now there are two paper layers here. You have to reverse fold the top one like this. This is the topmost layer. Reverse fold it. This will make the tail. Can you see the tail of the fish? And these are the fins. I'll show it to you again. The topmost layer, you need to reverse fold this. This forms the tail. Okay, now can you see this line? From the middle, you need to open the model like this, fold according to this line here. Alright, close it again. Can you see an opening? Put your finger inside so that it will be open according to this crease, and just pinch the paper like this. Can you see the change? I'll show it again. From the middle, you just need to put finger here and pinch the model like this. Okay, the last step, we need to get rid of these triangles, so we fold them backwards. So You just need to fold these triangles inside like this. Here, this triangle inside. Repeat behind. Okay. You can keep a pointed mouth if you like, but you can also reverse fold a small portion of this mouth inside so that it's not pointed. Press firmly and your fish is ready. You can paste eyes over here so that it can look more attractive. Okay. Thanks for watching.